GraphQL is one of the most exciting and advanced web APIs in the industry right now, and it offers capabilities other web APIs can just dream of. It's quickly becoming extremely popular, and more companies are using it. This course will make you a GraphQL expert and will take you all the way from the very basics of this web API to the most advanced topics. We will discuss foundational topics such as the problems with REST API that led to the creation of GraphQL, and then learn about the basic building blocks of GraphQL. We will then dive into the three types of operations in GraphQL, which makes it such a powerful API. But we won't just view slides. This course is extremely practical, and so we are going to do quite a lot of hands-on. We will use code to build the GraphQL schema and then play with it in the GraphQL playground. We will learn how to develop GraphQL server from scratch in .NET and in Node.js. And of course, we will talk about advanced topics such as error handling and authorization. And don't worry, you don't have to be a .NET or Node.js developer to take this course. I'll take you through all the steps required to develop and build the code. This course is part of the acclaimed software architecture series of courses. This series attracted hundreds of thousands of students from more than 180 countries and gained amazing reviews. So, enroll now to this course and become an even better software developer and architect.